Hey there, want to shop now and pay later? With Afterpay, you can break your purchases into smaller, manageable payments. But did you know you can also pay monthly? In this guide, I will show you how to pay monthly with Afterpay. First of all, not all purchases qualify for monthly payments. Afterpay offers his option for higher value purchases at select retailers. When you check out, look for an option that says monthly payments with Afterpay. If the monthly plan is available, simply choose it at checkout. You will see a breakdown of your payment plan, including how much you will pay each month. Before confirming, review your repayment schedule. Monthly payments may include interest depending on the terms. Once everything looks good, hit confirm. To keep track of your payments, open the Afterpay app anytime. You can view upcoming payments, update your payment method, and even make early payments if you'd like. And that's it. Paying monthly with Afterpay is simple, flexible, and helps you manage bigger purchases with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.